In today's video, we are painting it. Hello YouTube watchers and makers, this is your art buddy Vasu. Thank you for clicking or tapping on this video. Today we will paint a beautiful island scene. Watch this video all the way through, guys. I have to make an announcement regarding this very piece. Alright guys, we will be painting with acrylic paints. Brush sizes I will mention in the corner. We are using water to rinse our brush. Use a paper towel to wipe off your brush. The surface will be a painting paper. So without wasting any time, we will start with the background first. I will take royal blue and white. Alright then, paint from the top. And then from halfway down, layer darker shade of blue. So this time I'll go more royal blue into my white, like darker tone than what we have up top, and then add a little bit of yellow to it. Add a little bit more white. You gotta play around. Go a stroke right in the middle and then start dragging the paint all the way down. I'll add a little bit of water to fluid my paint time to time. Now guys, what I will do, I will take like a brave amount of white and then just blend all of that in the middle of both of these blue, and lighten that up. I'll keep increasing the volume of white. You gotta do it a couple of times. Alright, now I'm gonna take yellow and a little bit of blue, the royal blue. It will give you a greenish tone. And then we're gonna apply that a little bit from the very bottom. Like I'm just sliding it from the sides towards the middle. I'm gonna clean off my brush after that. Then take a little bit of neon red and just like I'm gonna dab it in a few areas. Add a little bit of yellow back onto the red on this patch right here. And I'll take some of the phthalo blue, like it's like a navy blue or midnight blue, and just dab that with my same big brush, like just dab into random areas. Now guys, what I will do, I'm gonna just wipe off my brush onto the paper towel like this, and then just slide the previous layer or the paint towards the middle with the dry brush. So it kind of diffuses it. I'll take a little bit of previous light blue that I created for water and go over that area again. Certain areas with dry brush, I'm gonna just make it hazier, feather it out. Some more yellow, just the yellow, big brush. I'm not changing the brush. And then I'm gonna just apply yellow in certain areas. Back to a little bit of red again. I'm just playing around. Water has like lots of creatures inside, shallow waters, reefs, fishes. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make another turquoise color. So royal blue, some white, and a little bit of yellow, some turquoise here and there. And take some royal blue and just go with very faint pressure and create these horizontal draggy spots. Like I'm placing my brush and I'm dragging it towards the sides. Now I'm using the same turquoise color, and then in the middle I'm gonna add a stroke like this, and then add a little mountain type of feature, like a summit on it like this in far distance. Now I'm gonna take green and a little bit of brown to it. And then right on the same level, we're gonna add a little bump here. Try to be consistent how I fill in. Add another land body next to it. Alright, so I'm gonna layer the islands with brown and phthalo blue mixed together. It'll give a nice dark shape to it. There you go. Right, and after that, we're gonna take a little bit of blue and white together, light blue, just to diffuse it. We don't want as sharp, vivid feel. Now we're gonna add a little bit of white in our brown, and right here somewhere we're gonna make a random squiggly stroke and a straight stroke underneath, a little landmass. That landmass I'm gonna give a little shade. Use a little bit of yellow, some phthalo blue, now I'm gonna add some more turquoise elsewhere coming from the sides. Gonna touch up my rocks in the background, add a little bit of royal blue on top of them. Now I'm gonna just take the brown, nothing else, and brown more on the top edge first, like this. More on the top edge. We're gonna apply brown. And then what I'm gonna do, I will slide it off like this, and then dab some more brown in the middle areas randomly. Then brown and white again, and with flathead medium brush I'm gonna add strokes. Decrease. The bridge is now moving towards the island, so it's gonna appear smaller and smaller towards the island. So as I'm moving on the top, I will twist my brush also. Twist your brush and then release the pressure also. It will give you thinner stroke as you're moving up. So, and I'm decreasing the width also, overall width. Alright, now guys, just gonna create a little shadow casted here. So I will go horizontal strokes next to the bridge with my medium brush. I'm gonna use some water and drag some of those strokes. And then I'll make a little shape more denser right next to it.
Perfect.
I'm gonna use medium brush, brown and white, like lots of white this time and a little bit of brown. And we're gonna create a shade lighter than the shade we have on our bridge. So more white. And then I'll go over the wooden planks. And some planks you will start the stroke on the opposite side. Then I'm going to switch the brush to a small brush and add the smaller strokes going all the way to the... I'll take some straight green, and with small brush I'm gonna pull the strokes towards the left, right from here. some phthalo blue right from the end or inside of the green strokes. Some on the opposite side, phthalo blue. And with the same blue, I'm gonna add a little abrupt stroke so it gives it more definition where it's ending. And then with straight black, small brush, I'm gonna make these fine strokes over the island, vertically going up. Then I'm gonna take some green. Don't clean your brush, have the black on it, and then add these dabs. Some grass right on the land. I'm dabbing some green on the land. Alright, then I'm gonna take some straight black. Don't clean your brush, have the green on it. And underneath, like more towards the end of the dabs, or towards the bottom of the dabs, you know, we're gonna add some black for the shade. Now guys, I'll take straight yellow. Don't clean your brush. Blend that little yellow in random areas. Add a little bit of red in your yellow. Get an orange tone. Brown on the wood itself. Now I'm gonna go back to the big brush, just the white, and we're gonna just feather some white in there. Just light pressure, distribute it. Some white from the side. And I'll twist my brush and then add white like that as well. Final touch up, guys. I'm gonna follow my lead. I twist my brush and just readjusting some white. Now I'll use the medium brush but more sideways. Not flat side. I'll take some white and then add a little bit of just a little bit of this light brown in it, in white, to create a cream color. Add a hint of yellow with the corner tip of my brush. Follow my lead, guys. Now adding some shadow with black on the top of the mountain casted by the trees. Adding a little bit of black at the base of the, it's like variation of rock color. I'm just adding blacks to it. First I add blacks for the shadow, now the blacks for the variation of the rocks. I kind of play around, you know. Very faint pressure. Alright guys, this is the final result. Thank you so much to be part of this journey. Here's the announcement, guys. I want to reach up to 100 subscribers and I am willing to raffle off this painting. You can win this painting. All you gotta do, hit the subscribe button and DM me your name. Once I will reach 100 subs, I will raffle off this painting. I will announce the name of the winner in one of my future videos. Hit that notification button and subscribe button and leave me a comment, guys, so I can improve these videos. I'm trying my level best to keep these videos entertaining as well as informational. Your support, love is always appreciated. Thank you so much to be all the way with me on this video, guys, and see you till next time. Bye-bye.